Bald eagle versus Philippine eagle. Fight. Here's the picture of babies. Here, but we're not that done. We have to figure out what's the king of birds. Philippine eagle or bald eagle? Who will win? We're going to figure it out, but till the end. Now, the finale. The Philippine eagle win, king of birds.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos.